In this video, I will show you how to get Udemy Premium for free. First, go to Google and search for Cookie Editor. Open the first link and add this extension to your Chrome browser. After adding the extension, visit the Udemy website and copy the provided cookie, which I'll include in the description and blog post. Next, click on the cookie extension, select the Udemy site, and allow it. Then, delete all cookies and click Import. Paste the copied cookies and import them. Finally, refresh the Udemy website and you'll have access to premium Udemy courses. Keep learning. I've also included the blog link in the description in case you encounter any issues. Thank you, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Feel free to ask if you need any further assistance.